To get started, first, press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract pins. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you extract. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the comments of this pin. To do this, go to Comments. Then press on the extension. Then press Extract Pin Comments. As you can see, we extracted the comments in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then press Add to Export List. Then Export. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted.